Welcome to Think Ocean. I'm Captain John, somewhere deep at sea. In this video, we're going to experience the famous Waipio Valley on the Big Island of Hawaii. This is part 2 of my series, and in this video, I'm going to take you body surfing, and I promise we're going to get some deep barrels. Part 1 was all about waterfalls. If you haven't seen it yet, please do so. It's full of spectacular footage. If you like my videos, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and share these videos with others who are interested in the marine environment. And most importantly, please subscribe. It would mean a lot. Now let's head to the beach. Well, good morning, everybody. We're about to go body surfing, and I'm going to show you that footage after this scene. Every morning, I come here and pay my respects to the shark with this famous rock called Shark Rock here in Waipio Valley. I come here and give homage to the sharks. I pray to the sharks and give the sharks the respect they deserve. For without the sharks, we would have an unhealthy ocean system. Sharks keep the oceans clean and in check. And by the way, they're badass and they're awesome too. So I'm going to pay my respects to the mono. That means shark in Hawaiian. And then I'm going to go body surfing and ask the mono nui, the big shark, for safe passage. You see, that is their territory, out there in the beautiful ocean of Waipio Valley. We only share it with them. Aloha. Now that was a lot of fun. Folks, I'd like to inform you that I have a new book out. It's entitled Full Ahead. It's about two friends that are so close they refer to one another as brothers. One is the captain, and the other is his chief mate. They work aboard a merchant ship that carries military equipment for the government. Over the years, and away from the ship, the two brothers began to live different lives. In a deep state operation, top Pentagon brass plot a plan to take over their ship. They need the captain's help. He agrees. The crew will abandon ship. It will appear as if the captain goes down with the ship. However, things go terribly wrong while the crew abandon ship, and after they are finally rescued, suspicions arise with the chief mate that lead him on a hunt to find the captain and find out the truth and bring him to justice. Every chapter immerses the reader in shipping, sailing, surfing, or diving. This book, full ahead, can be purchased anywhere you buy books. So enjoy the adventurous read, and let's get back now to Waipio Valley.